Nailing the timing, mastering the moment in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, nailed the timing. This expression is a gem in conversational English, and understanding it can add a layer of nuance to your communication skills. So, let's break it down together and discover how you can use this phrase to express yourself more vividly in English. Nailed the timing is a phrase that means someone has done something at the perfect moment. The word nailed in this context is slang for doing something successfully or precisely. When combined with the timing, it refers to the accuracy or perfection of the timing with which an action was performed. Imagine hitting a bullseye in darts. That's the kind of precision we're talking about. It's about catching the exact right moment to maximize the effect or success of what you're doing. To really grasp the meaning, let's look at a few examples. In a conversation, if you make a joke right when everyone is silent and paying attention, leading to laughter, you've nailed the timing of your joke. In professional settings, submitting a proposal right before a major decision-making meeting can be seen as nailing the timing, as it ensures your ideas are fresh in the decision-makers' minds. In everyday life, texting a friend exactly when they needed support or a word of encouragement is another perfect example of nailing the timing. Understanding and using the phrase, nailed the timing, is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about appreciating the importance of timing in human interactions and achievements. Timing can be everything, from telling a joke to making important life decisions. Recognizing when someone has nailed the timing helps acknowledge their skill, sensitivity, and intelligence in seizing the moment. Here's how you can start incorporating this phrase into your English. Praise and acknowledgement. Use it to commend someone's action or decision that was timed perfectly. Self-reflection. Reflect on moments when you felt you nailed the timing, and share these experiences in conversations to relate to this concept personally. Observation. Mention it when you notice instances in movies, books, or even in real-life events where timing played a crucial role in the outcome. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, nailed the timing. We hope you now feel confident in understanding and using this expression in your English conversations. Remember, mastering such phrases not only enriches your language skills but also helps you connect more deeply with the nuances of English communication. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey in our next video.